Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Science with Piyush. Today's our topic is association rule using Python. What we know in this video, how to mining association rule using Python. Second, how to apply the confidence difference criterion using Python. How to apply the confidence quadrant criteria using Python. So what is association rule? Association rule learning is a types of unsupervised learning techniques that check the codependency of one data item on a data item and match accordingly so that it can be more profitable. It's a try to find some interesting relationship or association among the various of database. It is based on a different rules to discover the interesting relationship between the variables in a data sets. The associations rule learning is one of the very important concept of machine learning, and it is employed in a market basket analysis, web uses mining, continuous production, etc. Let's know how to association rule apply on a numerical. Transaction dataset generate rules using a Puri algorithm. Consider the value as support count 50% and confidence 75%. As you see on a screen, transaction ID 12345 and item purchases by the people's bread, cheese, egg, juice, milk, and yogurts. Now we see the solution. Uh, We have given things support count 50% and confidence 75%. First step to find the frequency of item sets and their support counts. Items bread, cheese, egg, juice, milk, and yogurt. Frequency of items are respectively 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. We find the support count by the formula frequency of item divided by number of transactions. As you see on screen, the support count of a bread is 4 upon 5 equal to 80%, for cheese 60%, egg, juice, milk and yogurt respectively 20, 80, 60 and 20%. Now second step, we remove all the item whose support count is below given minimum support count. We remove the eggs and yogurt, which is only 20% of support count. We have minimum support count equal to 50. Now, from the two items candidate sets and write their frequencies. We pair two items, bread cheese, bread juice, and bread milk. Then cheese juice and cheese milk is juice and milk. Now pair all the item and find the frequency for all the item pairs. Here bread and cheese, bread and juice, bread and milk. Now we see in a given question, bread and cheese 1 and 2. There is only two frequency for bread and cheese as you seen on a screen. Now for bread and juice we see in a question bread and juice 1, bread and juice 2, bread and juice 3. There are three frequency for the bread and juice. Same we follow the step for all the pair items. Now we again find the support count for all the pair item, number of frequency item pairs upon total number of transaction. 2 upon 5 equal to 40% for the bread cheese and so on. Now we remove all the items whose support count is below given the minimum supports. Only two pairs are remain which is more than support count. Now we remove all the item sets whose support count is below given minimum support counter. Here is only two item sets are remained: bread juice and cheese juice, whose frequency is 3 and 3, and support count is greater than the minimum support count. Now generated rules for rules we consider the item pairs. Uh, we we find the dependency of items bread to juice, juice to bread, and cheese to juice, and juice to cheese. Confidence A to B equal to support count A union B upon support count A. Uh, Now we find the confidence bread to juice. Uh, we have support count for bread 3 upon 5 and juice 5 upon 4. We multiply both the digit for finding the union and divide it by the bread support count. Answer will be 75% support count. Same we find the juice to bread. We have support count for juice equal to 3 upon 5 and multiply by 5 upon bread, which is support count of a bread. Now we obtain the 75% dependency. Same we find these two and we obtain the 100% dependency and 75% dependency. All above rules are good because the confidence of each rules is greater than or equal to the minimum support count given in a problems. As you see on a screen, there is the program of association mining rule. We take the transaction bread, cheese, egg, juice, same as the question we solve above. Same type of minimum support count and confidence. As you seen on screen, we find the dependency of item bread to juice with 75 support with 75% confidence, juice to bread with 75% confidence, cheese to juice with 100% confidence, and juice to cheese with 75% confidence. What is the mean of this 75% confidence? What is the dependency we see in our preference language? Uh, अगर कोई व्यक्ति ब्रेड खरीदेगा तो 75% के साथ अपन बोल सकते हैं कि वो जूस भी लेगा। अगर वो जूस लेगा तो अपन 75% के साथ बोल सकते हैं कि वो ब्रेड भी ले सकता है। अगर उसने चीज़ लिया है तो कंफर्म है कि वो जूस लेगा ही लेगा, 100% कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ अपन ये बोल रहे हैं। और जूस लेगा तो चीज़ 75% कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ अपन बोल सकते हैं कि वो लेगा। यही होता है एसोसिएशन माइनिंग रूल। इसको मार्केट बास्केट रूल भी कहा जाता है। Thank you for see my YouTube video and give your precious time. You free to ask any question, any doubts. Please comment and ask.